Hello, happy Sabbath. Fourth day. Nawalan ng boses. Melody sa pag-awit, pero nawalan ng boses. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Nawalan ng boses, pero melody lang yung part. Kain muna tayo. Kain muna tayo, guys. After ng breakfast, umalik tulog, hindi nakaset ng alarm, almost noon na nakagising. So let's go now for the last program. We'll be going na sa last part of our program is commitment. Ginising ko lang to. Pero ako, hindi nakagising. Hindi naka-attend sa second to the last program. Ay, nako. Almost lunch na nakagising. Hindi na-set yung alarm. So ngayon, na-set ko ng alarm. Ako na una mag-gising. So yes, we're going to the guest house. Ano na yan? Ito. Going sa guest house. Sa parang meeting hall, worship hall ba yun? So punta tayo doon for the last part of the program. And hopefully tomorrow makaka-uwi kami without delays kasi merong bagyo. Going to Cebu and going to Bacolod. So, yeah. Let's go first sa ating commitment service and closing program, I think. tapos na. The last program is done. Kanina pa actually. At umuulan sa CDO. Ang bagyo na sa Luzon. But umuulan sa CDO. Carne Norte. So we're here. We're about to have our early dinner at 5. Oh, nagwiwhistle yung ilong ko. Kasi some of us will be going home early. Nagpa-change sked or nagpa-resched yung mga ibang going to Cebu. Kami hindi mga sked kasi yung Philippine Airlines walang resched na binigay. Pero Cebu Pacific meron. So we're about to go for a dinner. At naka-jacket kaming dalawa, ready for the dinner. So let's go. Guys, dito ta. So we're going now for early dinner. Pahinga kasi yung flight it's at 6:22. Aalis kami from here at 4 a.m. Kasi we'll have 1 hour travel to the airport. I think we will be earlier arrival kasi walang traffic. It's early morning. Hopefully. Ulan. Masama pang pakiramdam, huwag magpabasa. So guys, let's go. Let's have dinner. Hi guys. Gabi na. Tapos sa lahat, free time na. Mapamasahin na ang mga masakitang. Kailangan rin naman. Anong pangalan mo gani? Brother? Jesse.
Father of King David of Israel. Father of King.
Si Brother Jesse. Pag anhi ka mo sa SWPUC sa Cagayan, just look for him. Kilala siya sa Hope Channel nato. Yeah. Siya nagmasahe sa atong mga administrator, sa mga nagmasteral dinhi. Si Pastor Kaderma. Siya nagmasahe. So, look for him at Hope Channel Central Southern Philippines. Kay kilala na ni siya, gabulunter man siya sa Hope Channel naton. So there you go. First batch, ako ang second batch. Massage pag may time.